What if I told you that you could build incredible strength right from home? No gym, no equipment required. Today, I'll walk you through the best exercises to help you become stronger, leaner, and more athletic, all without ever setting foot in a gym. And trust me, you'll want to stick around because the final exercise is a complete game changer that most people have never even heard of. Before we jump in, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on the best workouts, fitness tips, and strategies to build serious strength anywhere, anytime. Now, let's dive straight into the first exercise, chair dips. Chair dips are an extremely effective movement that primarily targets the triceps brachii, the muscles on the back of your upper arms responsible for extending the elbow. Strengthening these muscles not only improves arm definition, but also enhances functional movements like pushing, lifting objects overhead, and even supporting your body weight in daily activities. Additionally, chair dips activate the anterior deltoids and pectoral muscles, helping to build overall upper body strength and stability. When performed with proper technique, they minimize shoulder strain while maximizing muscle engagement. To execute a chair dip, place your hands shoulder width apart on a sturdy chair or bench. Extend your legs forward and lower yourself until your elbows reach a 90-degree angle before pushing back up. If you want to make it harder, elevate your feet on another surface or add weights to your lap. Now, the last exercise on this list is a total game changer, and most people have no idea it exists, but we'll get to that soon. Next up, we've got squats. Squats are one of the most fundamental lower body exercises, engaging nearly every muscle in your legs, including the quads, hamstrings, glutes, and calves. These muscles are essential for everyday activities such as walking, running, and jumping, making squats one of the most functional movements for strength and endurance. On top of that, squats activate your core, engaging the rectus abdominis and obliques to maintain stability and protect your lower back. Research shows that compound exercises like squats can significantly boost testosterone and growth hormone production, both of which are key for muscle growth and fat metabolism. To perform a squat, stand with your feet shoulder width apart, push your hips back, lower yourself until your thighs are parallel to the floor, and drive back up through your heels while keeping your chest upright. Also, I've put together an incredible workout plan to help you reach your goals even faster, and I'll break it down at the end of the video, so stick around. Now, let's move on to the next exercise, push-ups. Push-ups are a powerhouse movement for upper body strength, mainly working the chest, triceps, and anterior deltoids. What makes them so effective is that they also engage the core, lower back, and even the glutes to maintain a strong plank position. Studies suggest that push-ups can be just as effective as bench presses for developing upper body muscle mass when performed with progressive overload. They also enhance muscular endurance and can improve cardiovascular fitness when done at high intensity. By adjusting your hand placement, such as doing diamond push-ups or wide grip push-ups, you can target different muscle groups for a well-balanced upper body. To perform a push-up, get into a high plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Lower yourself until your chest nearly touches the floor, while keeping your elbows at a 45-degree angle, then push back up. The next exercise on our list is burpees. Burpees are a full-body explosive movement that builds strength, endurance, and cardiovascular fitness all at once. They engage multiple muscle groups, including the legs, core, chest, and arms, making them one of the most effective calorie-burning exercises out there. Studies have shown that burpees can boost VO2 max, a crucial measure of cardiovascular endurance, more effectively than traditional endurance workouts like running. This makes them perfect for fat loss, metabolic conditioning, and developing explosive athletic power. Since the movement combines a squat, push-up, and jump into one fluid motion, it's both intense and highly efficient. To do a burpee, start by standing upright, drop into a squat with your hands on the floor, kick your feet back into a plank, perform a push-up, return your feet to a squat, and explode upward with your hands overhead. If you're a beginner, step back instead of jumping during transitions. For an advanced variation, add a tuck jump or push-up modification. Core stability is the foundation of all movement, so let's strengthen it with the next exercise. Planks. Planks are a powerful isometric movement that enhances deep core strength, improving posture, spinal stability, and athletic performance. They engage multiple muscle groups at once, including the transverse abdominis, obliques, and rectus abdominis, making them one of the best exercises for midsection development. Research from the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research indicates that isometric exercises like planks significantly boost core endurance, which is essential for preventing lower back pain and improving movement efficiency. Beyond the core, planks also target the shoulders, chest, and lower back, providing full body stabilization. To perform a plank, place your forearms on the ground, extend your legs, and hold a straight line from head to heels, keeping your core tight and avoiding sagging or arching. To increase difficulty, try side planks, reverse planks, or plank to push-up transitions. Next up, we have lunges. Lunges are an exceptional unilateral exercise that strengthens the quads, hamstrings, glutes, and stabilizing muscles in the hips. Since lunges work one leg at a time, they help correct muscle imbalances, improve coordination, and increase joint stability. Studies suggest that single-leg exercises like lunges activate more stabilizing muscles compared to bilateral movements, making them crucial for injury prevention and functional strength. Additionally, lunges enhance balance and flexibility by requiring controlled movement and core engagement. To perform a lunge, step forward with one leg, lower your body until both knees form 90-degree angles, making sure your front knee stays aligned with your ankle, then push through your heel to return to the starting position. To make it more challenging, try walking lunges or add plyometric lunges for a cardiovascular boost. I just listed the major muscle groups involved in lunges, quads, hamstrings, and glutes, but in reality, over 40 muscles in your lower body are engaged during this movement. That includes some hard-to-pronounce ones like the sartorius, tibialis posterior, and flexor hallucis longus. Pretty wild, right? Now let's move on to mountain climbers. Mountain climbers are a dynamic bodyweight exercise that builds core strength, endurance, and agility. They activate the rectus abdominis, obliques, hip flexors, and shoulders, while also ramping up heart rate for a high calorie burn. Because mountain climbers involve rapid knee drives, they improve coordination and reaction time, which is beneficial for both sports and daily activities. Additionally, the plank position strengthens the upper body and stabilizing muscles in the lower back. To perform, get into a high plank position, drive one knee toward your chest, then quickly switch legs in a running motion while maintaining a steady pace and core engagement. To adjust the intensity, you can slow down the movement for a more controlled core workout, or speed it up for a high-intensity interval training effect. Additionally, you can incorporate advanced variations like cross-body mountain climbers, where you drive your knee toward the opposite elbow for extra oblique engagement. Now, the next exercise is an absolute game changer. The next workout on our list is jumping jacks, a deceptively simple yet incredibly effective full-body movement that has been a staple in fitness routines for decades. Whether you're an athlete, a beginner, or just looking to boost your endurance, this exercise delivers serious results with minimal effort and zero equipment. Jumping jacks are much more than just a warm-up move. They're a highly effective cardiovascular exercise that increases heart rate, improves lung capacity, and enhances endurance. This makes them a great choice for fat-burning workouts, high-intensity interval training, HIIT, or even active recovery sessions. The rhythmic motion not only elevates heart rate quickly, but also trains the body to use oxygen more efficiently, improving overall stamina over time. What makes jumping jacks even more valuable is that they target multiple muscle groups at once. The legs, glutes, and calves work to propel you off the ground, while the shoulders and arms add an extra layer of movement, increasing coordination and upper body endurance. Meanwhile, the core remains engaged to stabilize the entire motion, preventing unnecessary strain on the lower back and improving overall balance. This means that with every rep, you're not just burning calories, you're building strength, agility, and functional fitness. Another reason jumping jacks are a must-have in any routine is their versatility. They can be performed anywhere, whether at home, in a hotel room, outdoors, or even as part of a quick office break. They also fit seamlessly into different workout styles. Need an explosive cardio finisher? Jumping jacks. Want a low-impact movement to get the blood flowing? Slow down the tempo. Looking to push your endurance? Add them into a HIIT circuit or combine them with other bodyweight exercises for an intense calorie-burning session. To To maximize the effectiveness of this exercise, maintain proper form. Keep your chest lifted, land softly to reduce joint impact, and engage your core throughout the movement. The goal is to stay light on your feet, ensuring that each jump is smooth and controlled, rather than rushed and sloppy. By incorporating variations like power jacks, cross jacks, or even weighted jumping jacks, you can increase intensity and challenge different muscle groups. Jumping jacks may seem basic, but don't underestimate their power. They are one of the simplest ways to elevate your fitness, improve cardiovascular health, and build total body endurance, all without needing a single piece of equipment. Whether used as a warm-up, a main workout component, or a finisher, this exercise delivers undeniable results. The next workout on our list is jump rope, an absolute powerhouse when it comes to building endurance, torching calories, and improving coordination. It may remind you of childhood playground games, but don't be fooled. Jump rope is a serious athlete-approved exercise that delivers full-body benefits in just minutes. Jump rope is one of the most efficient cardiovascular exercises you can do. Studies have shown that just a few minutes of jumping rope can burn more calories than running, cycling, or swimming. The rapid, repetitive motion challenges your heart and lungs, improving aerobic capacity and stamina. Whether you're aiming for fat loss, increased agility, or better overall conditioning, this movement is a game changer. But it's not just about cardio. Jump rope also strengthens multiple muscle groups at once. The calves, quads, and hamstrings absorb impact and drive the jumping motion, while the core stays engaged to stabilize your movements. Meanwhile, the shoulders, forearms, and wrists work to keep the rope spinning, helping to build upper body endurance and grip strength. This makes jump rope a full-body workout disguised as a simple cardio exercise. Another major advantage of jump rope is its ability to improve coordination, balance, and reflexes. Every turn of the rope requires precise timing between your hands and feet, which enhances neuromuscular control. The best part? Jump rope is incredibly versatile. It can be done anywhere. All you need is a rope and a small space. Whether you're training at home, at the gym, or even outdoors, jump rope can be adapted to fit any routine. To get the most out of this workout, focus on proper form. Keep your elbows close to your body, use your wrists, not your arms, to turn the rope and stay light on your feet. Landing softly will help protect your joints while ensuring efficient movement. And there you have it. Some of the most effective bodyweight exercises to build serious strength, all without stepping foot in a gym or using any fancy equipment. Whether your goal is to increase muscle definition, improve endurance, or simply feel stronger in your everyday life, incorporating these exercises into your routine will get you there. The best part? You can do them anywhere, anytime, with just your own body weight. But remember, consistency is the key to real progress. It's not about doing a single workout once. It's about showing up, pushing yourself, and staying committed to the process. That's why I put together this structured workout plan, so you have a roadmap to follow and can start seeing results faster. Stick with it, challenge yourself, and watch your strength skyrocket. And hey, if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow and reach more people who are looking for effective, no-equipment workouts just like this. Also, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let me know which of these exercises is your favorite, or if there's another bodyweight move you swear by.